In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build and automate client email campaigns using SuiteDash, the all-in-one platform designed for businesses to manage projects, clients, and more. Stick around because I'm also going to reveal a much better alternative at the end that might just be the perfect fit for your needs. Let's jump straight into SuiteDash. When you first log in, you'll find a dashboard full of useful tools. To start automating client email campaigns, you'll need to navigate to the Marketing section, where you can create workflows for emails and other client communications. Next thing, you'll want to create your email template. SuiteDash offers a drag-and-drop email editor, so you can easily build professional-looking emails. The editor is fairly intuitive, with options for adding dynamic content, images, and buttons. But if you're used to more advanced design features, you might find SuiteDash a bit basic compared to other email marketing platforms. The third thing to focus on is the automation setup. Once your email templates are ready, go to the Automations tab. Here, you can set up triggers based on client actions, like signing a contract, completing a form, or making a payment. SuiteDash's automation is straightforward, but again, it's not as robust as some dedicated email automation tools out there. If you need more advanced behavior-based workflows, you might feel limited. The fourth thing is segmentation. SuiteDash allows you to segment your clients based on custom fields, but it's a little less granular than tools like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp. If you need highly targeted campaigns, you might want to look elsewhere, but it's decent for smaller, less complex email lists. Fifth thing, reporting. After setting up your campaigns, SuiteDash provides basic reporting, such as open rates and click-through rates. It's useful for seeing how your emails are performing, but it's not as in-depth or customizable as dedicated email platforms like HubSpot. Now, after walking through all the features of SuiteDash, let's talk about the downsides. For one, the email marketing system is not as feature-rich as competitors. For instance, it lacks some advanced automation workflows, A/B testing features, and more in-depth reporting, which could be a deal breaker if email campaigns are a core part of your business strategy. And this is where it gets interesting. At the end of the day, if you're serious about building and automating email campaigns, SuiteDash can work for basic needs, but there are better alternatives out there that cater specifically to email marketing. These tools offer a much more comprehensive and flexible set of features to really take your campaigns to the next level. So, what's the best alternative? I'll get to that in a second, but here's the good part. If you want to try SuiteDash for yourself, I've got an exclusive and extended free trial through the link below. But here's the thing, I've also found some amazing alternatives that are a much better fit for your goal of automating and optimizing email campaigns. And yes, these alternatives also come with a free trial. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best possible trial and some exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Check it out and decide for yourself.